In this short video, I'm going to walk you through some of the features of the Medium Bookmark Manager, and we'll start by logging in. First, we need to configure our settings, and then we can import some articles. So let's begin by going to the settings page. The only things I'm going to configure for now are the time format and the days of the week on which I want notifications to be sent. There is a separate video walking you through all the different settings on this page, which I suggest you check out. Next, we're going to import our first Medium file, but before you do that, make sure you're logged into your Medium account. Click the Import button, and then click the link to Security and Apps. On the Security and Apps tab within Settings, click the Download Your Information link. Click the Export button, and then wait for an email to be delivered from Medium with a link to your download file. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an email from Medium with a link to your download file. Click the Download My Archive button, save the zip file to your computer, because you'll need that to import it into your Medium Bookmark Manager account as the next step. On the Import page, click the Choose File button and locate the zip file you just downloaded from Medium. Once the file name appears there, you can click the Import Medium Download file. That will upload your zip file to the Medium Bookmark Manager system, process it, and in a few seconds or minutes, depending on how large your file is, you'll receive a summary of the results of the import. It shows you the list name, how many articles in total there are in that list, and how many new articles were found on this particular run. You can sort these columns by clicking on the column headers. And if you leave this page, you can get back to the most recent 5 import summaries by clicking on the link down near the bottom of the instructions or on the menu item at the top of the page. And from here you can select which of the last import summaries you want to see. Now that we've imported our articles, let's go to the dashboard. And at the top you'll see it's randomly chosen one article for you to either read or work on. This changes every day. So let's start by opening up this suggested article in Medium. Let's pretend that we've read this article now. So what I'm going to do on Medium is remove it from the reading list, and I'm going to add it to a list I've got called Making Money. This change will be reflected the next time you download and import your Medium file into the system. So once we've done that, we can close the article and return to MBM. Next, we're going to add a keyword to this article by clicking on the icon at the far right of the article title. We're going to add in the keyword box the keyword Making Money. And then we're going to click the Update Article Information button. And then we'll return to the dashboard, and we'll notice that the keyword has now been added. Finally, we're going to go to the Searchable Article List Information page, and we're going to display the contents of a list I have called To Comment On, because I want to do something with the article that's in that list. I want to work on this article, so the first thing I'm going to do is click on the Edit Article Information icon on the right. And from there, I'm going to click the article title to open the article up on Medium itself. Originally, I was going to comment on this article, but I think I'll write an article of my own instead. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a keyword of MBM to the Medium Bookmark Manager. And then I'm going to start drafting an article. I'm just going to type the first few words here, and then I'm going to pause the video whilst I do the rest of it. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, I'm back and I've pasted in the full draft of an article I want to add onto Medium. So once I've done that, and you can see it shows the length of the notes, I can click the Update Article Information button. At this stage I have one chance to undo the changes, but I'm not going to do that because I forgot to apply some formatting to part of my draft. So I'm going to make that text italic, and I'm going to make this text at the bottom bold. Then I'm going to update the information by clicking the Update button again. Now I'm going to select the contents of these notes using Ctrl-A or Command-A on the Mac, copy it and head over to my Medium account. There I'm going to click the Write button, open up a new empty draft, and I'm going to paste in my draft article. You can see at the bottom it's retained the formatting, and as soon as the Medium article is saved, which means it will be in my list of draft articles on the Stories option, I can mark this as complete because I've done what I need to do with it. Once I've updated the article information, I'm going to head back to the previous page, where you can see that the article has now been marked as completed on this date. You can see the keyword I added, and some of the notes I added too. So all that's left to do here in MBM is to log off. Actually, there's one more thing I forgot to mention, and that is that all of the pages in the Medium Bookmark Manager have their own tutorial video, which you can reach by clicking the icon in the menu bar at the top right. That will take you to YouTube, and there's a playlist with each of the videos that you might need. If you don't find what you want in any of these videos, then you can always get in touch with me. To do that, scroll to the bottom of any of the pages in MBM and click the Contact Us link. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Medium Bookmark Manager, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside, as they say. Goodbye.